In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to build a Wix website featuring live video. This guide will walk you through everything, starting from installing the Wix video app to finally streaming your live video on your Wix website. To start, we need to install the Wix video app. After this installation, open the Wix editor and navigate to the page where you have a plan of integrating the live stream. On the left sidebar of your Wix editor, you will spot an Add Elements icon shaped like a plus sign. Clicking on this icon will bring forth numerous options for enhancing your website. Scroll through these options and look for the Video and Music category. Under this category, select Wix Video. The Wix video player can be added to your page by simply dragging and dropping it onto your desired location. This way, you've just prepared the platform for your live video. Having placed the video player onto your page, the next step is setting up live streaming. This can be done by clicking on the Wix video player that you have just placed on your page, followed by clicking Manage Videos. You will be led to a dashboard where you should select the Live Stream tab. To schedule a live stream, click on the Schedule event. This function allows you to set up a specific date and time for your live stream. Alternatively, if you wish to start the live stream immediately, you may click Go Live Now. If you opt to schedule the event, kindly fill out the event details, which include the date, time, and also the cover image. The next important step in your journey of setting up a live stream on your Wix website involves connecting your encoder. When you're ready to start the live stream, click Go Live Now and then select from Desktop. To proceed, click I have an encoder. Doing this will provide you with a server URL and a stream key, both of which you need to copy. The final step requires you to have encoder software such as OBS Studio. Open the software and paste the URL and stream key you copied earlier into the appropriate fields. Once done filling out the necessary details, start your stream in the encoder, which will concurrently broadcast live video to your Wix site. You've now completed the process of adding live video to your Wix website, and you can start engaging with the online community in real time. Enjoy the streaming.